Kailahon ta ang team behind sa winning streak sa ato ang mga Cebuana beauty queens na sila si Beatrice Luigi Gomez o Tracy Maureen Perez. We have ang mga team behind sa Origin Model and Artist Management, Edward Castro ang Creative Director, si Axel Cue, Costume Designer, Swen Chua Manager, and si Cherry Pantaleon ang Makeup Artist. Mayong buntag, Team Cebu, ug welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live, Origin Model and Artist Management.
Hi, may buntag!
Mayong buntag, ug thank you for doing this interview. We're so glad to have you on our program. Kay kamo jud ang nagpaluyo sa kadaugan sa back-to-back win sa Miss Universe Philippines and Miss World Philippines. So can you please introduce yourselves and your task sa inyuhang team? So let's start with your manager nga si Swen.
I'm Swen Chua. I'm the manager and also the production head for shoots of the girls.
Hi, I'm Edward. I'm the creative director and the stylist for both Bea and Trixie.
I'm Axel Cue, the fashion designer and the costumes of both candidates.
I'm Cherry Pantaleon. I'm the makeup artist.
Wow, nice to meet the four of you. And first off, congratulations sa inyuhang team sa back-to-back win sa inyuhang mga beauty queens. Congrats.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Congratulations. Busa, Edward, matod pa sa mga netizens, Cebu is truly the queen city of the South because we conquered daw the world and the universe. Can you tell us the story behind the success of our two Cebuana beauty queens?
I think it's more na sila yun. They are really strong, independent women. They deserve what they have. They deserve the crown that they got because they work so hard. They're very hardworking. They're very goal-oriented at the same time. They're also very kind and compassionate. So I think that's the secret behind their victory is because
Swen, before the competitions, what were the preparations na inyuhang gihimo to make your beauty queens really well prepared and ready for these competitions?
For us, we really plan it out, everything. So about the attack on how to present them to the national. So that's how we started mga shoots headed by Edward. So mga editorial shoots for them to and videos para we can really can introduce them sa pageant world.
Axel, daghan kayo ang nakuryoso on how do you select a candidate na pwede kayo nato isalang sa mga national pageants? May we know the process of your selection?
Siyempre, manitatag babae nga husgan, strong-willed, tapos confident, may attitude, at basta na siya aura, X factor na makita niyo.
Kang Chadi, this time, can you also take us back during the coronation nights when two of your queens were crowned as Miss Universe Philippines and Miss World Philippines? How was it? How did you feel katong gabi una?
Ang pulba. Pulbaan siya. Kay marag sa big enter o contest na magkulbaan siya. That happy sa kay mina kadaog jud siya. Mag-wild. Kay dili lalim.
Busa, Edward, we'd like to know kay kamo man jud no ang nakahimamat, mas nakaila man jud mo nila ni Beatrice o ni Tracy. Can you share to us interesting facts nila ni Beatrice o ni Tracy nga wala makit-i sa ilahang mga Instagram ug mga social media accounts?
for Bea, she's quite introverted and reserved, no? Kanang hilumon yun siya by nature.
Yes.
But when she gets on stage, she's like, I wouldn't say a totally different person, but more lahi siya na version ni Bea. It's the showgirl version of Bea ang naa sa stage. So that's the duality of Bea na dili kayo makita sa mga tao because all you see is the glam, the fun, but behind the scenes, Bea is really quiet and reserved and shy. For Tracy, what you do, Kaya ang makita sa mga tao niya is all the glam, the kuan, but in real life, kay si Tracy kay kalog, kanang way libog, way problema, kanang cowboy ra gyud sa asa nimo siya dalmon, wala gyud siya problema. So we've been on a couple of trips na pod.
And Swen, before we end this interview, please invite all our Kapuso viewers to continue supporting our beauty queens who will represent our country to compete other countries as well.
Yeah, I would like to thank also to those Cebuano who support them and really rooting for them. And then I want you to invite, continue supporting like Bea and Tracy for their competition. For Tracy, she will go to Puerto Rico and Bea for in Israel. So I will ask you more and more support on them. So Edward can add on.
Let's all cheer. Let's just send love and positivity to our girls. You know, it's not easy competing on stage to be representing the whole country. So I hope everyone, not just Cebuanos, but the Filipino community in general, let's just send positivity and good vibes to our girls.
Daghan kayong salamat for doing this
Thank you
interview.
for having us.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Next time na pod. Thank
Pohon,
you.
pohon.
Pohon.
I like your earrings.
Thank you. Thank you guys. Congrats.